Welcome to Make It Monday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas and Ohana. Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday. But hold up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome family. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me, your host, Shundara, on all her social media sites. And if you would like to get to know me, your host, Shundara, better, make sure you're subscribed to my vlog channel if you would like to get to know me better. And make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. So, in this episode of Make It Monday, we are making Amethyst Geode Bath Bombs. Now, I just want to give you a little tips before we do this bath bomb. These are going to be kind of repetitive, but please listen to these tips before we make these bath bombs. Number one, I suggest that when you decide to put the salt crystals inside the bath bomb mode, make sure you use some sort of oil. I suggest you use coconut oil. I did use Miracle-Gro oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. But coconut oil actually makes it stick to the bath bomb and makes it more beautiful. Also, you can use a toner. So I used Aqua de Roses, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com, and that will help the the salt crystals to make it look like an amethyst geode crystal stick to the bath bomb as well, and they look 10 times better when they stick to the bath bomb. Also, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you would like to see the demos. I'm gonna start doing the demos in the videos, but you guys know I am pregnant, so it's just like so much is going on everywhere, so I'm just trying to do the best I can. But once the pregnancy over, I will definitely leave the demos in the videos. Also, we are changing the name to the show, so if you would like to come up with a name for DIY Saturday and Make It Monday, or any suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Make It Monday, and let's go. Okay, so we're about to make our Amethyst Geode Bath Bombs. So this is our Bath Bomb Birthstone collection. So I'm really excited to get started on making our Birthstone collection. So I know I never did a collection for Make It Monday or DIY Saturday, but we're gonna start a Bath Bomb collection for the stone. So we're gonna do amethyst today because well, I just want to do it. You know, February has passed, but hey, I still feel like I'm in February, so we're gonna do it. So what we're gonna do is start off with 2 cups of baking soda. And to that 2 cups of baking soda, you want to add a cup of citric acid. So that's a cup of citric acid. Now to that cup of citric acid, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of SLSA. So that's 2 tablespoons of SLSA. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of kaolin clay. Ooh, that SLSA is strong. I forgot my mask, you guys. Because our bath bombs are going to be sort of the amethyst stone, or geode stone is sort of like a purple grayish color. We are going to use kaolin clay. I mean, not kaolin clay, bentonite clay for the gray color. However, you can mix micas together to get a gray color, but I'm just gonna use bentonite clay. So we're gonna use 2 heaping tablespoons of bentonite clay, and that's just sort of to get it like a grayish, lightish color, as well as add some skin loving ingredients, because it tightens the skin. And not only does it tighten the skin, it helps remove impurities from the skin as well as detoxify the body. So this would be perfect. Not kaolin clay, bentonite clay. I was talking about bentonite clay, you guys. I hope I said bentonite clay. I don't think I did. So I was talking about bentonite clay is perfect for detoxifying the body as well as tightening the skin. So once you've mixed in all your ingredients and they're all combined and all your clumps are out, of course, you want to add your oils. I will be using Miracle Glow Oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. You can also find our Larimar elixir as well as savvynaturalista.com. Larimar contains all natural blue and tansy essential oil, which helps with anti-redness and is perfect for breakouts on the skin. And Miracle Glow Oil is the moisturizer for the skin. And we will be using 20 to 40 drops of Miracle Glow Oil in this mixture. We are going to use a 1/4 cup of sunflower seed oil. The weather is cold here, so my coconut oil is hardened. However, if you want to use coconut oil, by all means go ahead and use coconut oil. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and now we're going to use like a nice relaxing aromatherapy fragrance oil, and I'm just going to use about a 1/2 tablespoon. However, you may want to use less or more depending if you're giving this away as gifts. It's up to you to use less or more. And I got this at Amazon. Now we're going to mix all this together until it's combined. And let's go. So once your mixture is done, you want to set it to the side. And now we're going to work on the fun part. And the fun, ooh, I hope it don't fall. If it falls, I'm going to be so devastated. I'm going to put the video up crying, literally, if it falls, because I have it on the edge of the counter. So now we're going to work on the fun part of the tutorial. And that's the amethyst. I'm calling it amethyst, but it's amethyst. The amethyst geode salt crystals. So this is a large granulated crystal sea salt, and you can get this at your local Asian grocery store. Many of you don't know, I have a huge obsession with the Korean culture, and I'm obsessed with kimchi. So I like to make my own kimchi. And actually, I have a few sitting in the fridge right now. But I use this to wilt the cabbage, because you need to wilt the cabbage. You know, you just need to wilt the cabbage. But because it's like a probiotic. So if you've ever made kombucha, your own pickles, or your own carrots, it's sort of like that, I would say. You know, it's a probiotic and it's good for the gut. So in the process of making kimchi, you want to wilt the cabbage. Oh my God, I can't believe we're having this conversation right now. But anyways, you guys, so I use this large crystal sea salt, so that's why I have it. And you can get this at your local Asian grocery store. Or you probably could get it at Winco. I don't know. But if you guys have a Winco. So we're going to do a heaping cup of this. And I'm going to use Miracle Glow oil. So I'm going to use Miracle Glow oil to put on top of it. Sort of. That's my oil of choice. So that's the oil I'm going to use to put on top of it. Plus it has like a gold reflective, which is pretty. And that's real gold, real 24 karat gold in Miracle Glow oil. So I used about 40 drops. So now what I want to do is add my pigments. So I'm going to add these not by measurements, but you will probably need a 1/4 teaspoon of each pigment. This is a purple shimmery pigment or mica. And then I'm going to use ultramarine pink. And an ultramarine pink sort of looks purple-ish, but it looks pink. I don't know if that makes sense. It's called an ultramarine pink, but it looks purple, okay? So that's what we're gonna use, and I'm gonna do a close-up once I'm done. I'm using about a 1/4 teaspoon of each, or 1/8 of a teaspoon. I suggest you start off with 1/8 of a teaspoon and work your way up to a 1/4 teaspoon, especially if you're fair skin or of lighter skin color and you use bath bombs or stuff like this. You really want to start off with less micas and pigments so you don't stain your skin. And now I'm going to use like a reflective color, which is like a purple violet reflective color, and I'm going to show you guys. So like I said, please, if you're fair skin, and this is a cup of huge large salt crystals, so please, if you're fair skin, pretty please use less mica. 1/8 of a teaspoon is perfect for you, or your skin will stain. So I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, all the colors. And we're just gonna mix this up until it's combined, until it's thick, and that's what I added the oil for. So once this is mixed together, side note, I did use about 2 teaspoons to 3, well, I'd say I used about 4 teaspoons of Miracle Glow oil to get it to stick like this. So that's what we used for the oil. The oil I used was Miracle Glow oil, and it also, like I said, has a beautiful glow reflective to it, which is real 24 karat gold. So now you want to set that aside, and now we're going to work back on our bath bomb mixture. Once you have your bath bomb mixture, you want to start spraying your bath bomb mixture with your toner of choice. Mine, of course, is Aqua de Rosas, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. I am revamping Aqua de Rosas to include beautiful floral, real floral petals. It's an all-natural rose water toner. The new formula is coming soon, which I'm really excited about it. Plus, we're getting new bottles. Now we're going to spray this with Aqua de Rosas, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. And the new formula of Aqua de Rosas should actually be up, I'm hoping, by March, middle April. That's the goal, okay? But you know, sometimes vendors and stats take a little longer, but even sooner. So I'm hoping March, mid-April. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna unsnap my Aqua de Rosas, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of it. And we're gonna put it like that, and then we're gonna mix it really fast. Don't worry if it bubbles up. If it bubbles up, it is fine. And as you see it bubble up, that's a good thing, because you know my bath bombs actually work. So I used a tablespoon of Aqua de Rosas, and I'm just gonna mix it until it's wet. And like I said, the Amethyst Geode Stone is a grayish color. So this is just gonna work perfectly with the Amethyst Geode Stone. I'm so excited. So I know I did not put any fragrance oils on the top of the crystal sea salt, so if you decide to. So this mixture is moist, but just to be on the safe side, I am gonna add another tablespoon of Aqua de Rosas. Now y'all seen my bath bomb mixture did bubble up, but if you work faster as it's bubbling up, you won't have that issue. You don't have to spray. It's a little easier. So just do it. You see it bubble? That's a good thing. That means your bath bomb mixture actually works, okay? So you guys know this actually works. And I probably will do a demo, because I always tell you guys to go to my second channel and see the demos. But you know what I learned? That I don't put demos on my second channel. So what I'm gonna start doing is bath bomb demos for you guys at the end of the video. And then, because many of you know I'm pregnant, and I feel like I've been pregnant forever, when the baby comes, I will start taking more time into my second channel. I've just been so tired, you guys. Whew, life is difficult. But I'm happy. I'm happy for you guys who watch my videos. I'm happy for you guys who support savvynaturalista.com. And I also want to let you guys know we have new cleansers coming soon and new skincare products. So I'm happy for that too. So once your mixture sort of sticks like this, just like that, you see, it's pretty much done. So now we're gonna do the fun part. Well, not my fun part, but everybody else's fun part who likes to mold bath bomb mixtures, is we're actually gonna do it. So the first one I wanna do is a little like Aqua de Rosas with Miracle Glow oil with the gold. So what I wanna do essentially is take these two mixtures. So now we're gonna do the Geode salt crystals. And the reason why I put the Miracle Glow oil right there, as you guys probably seen, was because I wanted to have like a little gold flare, if that makes sense. So that was my idea in my head, was to have a gold flare. So I'm gonna do one on camera, because y'all know how I feel about these bath, y'all know how I feel. It takes so long. It's just too much. Okay, see, look it. See, now I gotta compact it. You see, this is why bath bomb molds kind of irk me. I like to do it in the easy ones, but you know, the show must go on, they say. how pretty. You see? So I'm going to do the rest. And then we'll be back to unmold our beautiful Amethyst Geode Bath Bomb stone. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay, you guys, so we're back and I want to show you our Amethyst Geode Salt Bomb / our birthday bomb collection. So this is the one I did. Side note, this one came out a little better than most of them. And it's because I actually added sort of like a little water, not water, Aqua de Rosas to the bath bomb mold. But okay, so what happens is they'll look like this when they come out the mold. So you want to tap them a bit, and I need a bowl. So let's get a bowl so we could tap them. So you just want to tap them just a little bit. And then you have like a sort of looking geode, and it should look like this. So make sure you tap the excess off after you're done, and that's for all of them. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Make It Monday. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be changing the name of the show because I think we do it Fridays and Saturdays. No, wait, Saturdays and Mondays. So I want to change the name to the show instead of Make It Monday and DIY Saturday, something else. So I am working on the name of the show. I should have a name in the next 2 weeks. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you pick up Miracle Glow Oil and our new Larimar elixir, as well as Aqua de Rosas at SavvyNaturalista.com. And I thank you so much for watching this episode. Thank you so much for your lovely comments and support. And I'll see you in our next episode of Make It Monday. Bye.